Here we are with Gang Gang Cam. Hello guys. Having a good meal? Yeah, good meal. So we've got 11 around the corner, and then on the top shelf here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's that? 15 plus 11, 27. So 27 Gang Gangs. Repeating myself as usual, there's not that many females, is there? So we've been thinking about why that is. So at the breeding time and fledgling time of the baby Gang Gangs, we have a normal ratio of 50% male, 50% female, but for some reason we've got a good ratio of the females that are dying probably in their first year of life, probably their first winter. So oh, come on guys, oh, they'll be back in a few minutes. So we think what's happening is that there's just not enough food, and for whatever reason the young females aren't quite as strong as the young males, and so what we end up is with this heavily male dominated population, only a few females surviving, and then that has carry on effects onto their population health. So it's quite a serious problem. Oh, here we go guys. Trying to think about how we fix it in the future. So we can feed the females like this. I'm just not sure whether it helps the young females survive their first winter. Maybe it helps some of them. Sort of have to watch them for a long time to see whether it has any long-term effect on their population, improving the survival rate of the young females. Hey guys.